very natural area. It has so many trees and it's big. It's beautiful. There are so many wonderful lights. There's playgrounds, there's trampoline, and people are playing cricket here. And yeah, it's a good place for hanging out. And the bed over here is just a bit soft. That's the only problem I found. Yeah, and rest is good.
Yeah.
Hello, what's your market? This is the huge. Oh my God! Can you stop this? This is the recognize of the wind. Here as much as you can. This is the words the wind. I come on. It's very fun to play. It's like a jumping and then join here.
How are you feeling?
I feel good.
I'm feeling
Yeah, there's a lot of teachers and students get together all the time, and we all our friends are having fun, so that's good.
The foods are good?
Yeah.
Okay.
My dog is cute, Cooper, but he's second.
my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands.